project, which is the electronic punch machine. The circuit located below the punching bag is the indicator of the pulses of the score you will get when after punching the machine. Oh, this is the ground. Waiting for 0. As you can see here, it is being alternate, which is 1 0 1 0 through this circuit, so it will create pulses which will be transferred to the PIC, and the is responsible on making the scoring with this project. In this area, to determine the top score. This will determine the scores you achieve after punching the machine. These 3 LEDs, they are responsible on the credits available of the player. So on this right corner, it will determine the machine is already activated. So once it is turned on, so that means that the machine is now ready for playing. I will give you a sample demonstration on how this machine functions. This is my first attempt. So this is my first punch. So as you can see, the score is 12 and the credits remain are only 2 bits. So now let's have the second attempt. So the score is 10 and the other LED is already turned off, and the remaining since you have remaining credits of 1, so the only LEDs that turned on is only 1. This is the last attempt. So what happened? So still it is scored 10, and since the average is 10, so the last top score that we have is 19. So therefore 19 will still remain